For the chicken, you are welcome to cook the chicken however you want. You can grill it on the barbecue, pop it in the oven, pan fry it, any way you want to cook the chicken, slow cooker, whatever you desire. Go ahead and cook your chicken. I'm going to slice mine since it's mostly thawed but still a little frozen, which is perfect for cutting. So I'm going to do nice long strips and then pan fry it with some butter and a little bit of spices. Since I'm pan frying it, I do want to add a little bit of like a type of oil. So I'm adding a bit of butter into my chicken to make it nice and kind of salty, creamy tasting. You can do it however you want if you're looking for like a lot of health from the salad, but if you want to mix it up and, I don't know, kick it up a notch, put some butter. And this, I wouldn't say that this is part of the recipe. This is just a little bit of Greek salad dressing that I had left over from lunch, and instead of wasting it, I am actually just going to marinate my chicken with that to give it a little bit of Greek flavoring. Like I said, that's not a part of the recipe, but I mean, if that's something you want to try, you're more than welcome. And then we're just going to season it with simple black peppercorn and Himalayan sea salt. For the dressing, we will be cutting up fresh lemon, fresh lime, and some sea salt. And we will be adding olive oil and balsamic vinegar into a shaker or however you want to make your dressing, and shake it up. And that's going to be our dressing. For the salad base, we will start with some like Ichiban noodles, that sort of thing. So take out the seasoning. We don't want to use that. We're going to go with a nice healthy dressing. So take all the noodles, crush them up, put them in, and then take some chow mein noodles, your favorite chow mein noodles, and put those in. So I'm not using any portions. This is completely up to you, however much of salad you want to make. Then take a blend of a pre-mixed set of cabbage, lettuce, carrots, whatever you think will go really good in the salad. This is what I'm using, and it turned out really well. As for the dressing portions, you're going to want to use the 1/3, 2/3 rule when it comes to the oil and the vinegar. So 1 part oil, 3 parts vinegar. So you see how I put in X amount of oil. I'm putting about 3 times the amount of the oil as I did the vinegar. That makes it a little less oily, a lot more vinegary. That's the kind of consistency you want. So it depends on how much dressing you want. You don't want to oversaturate the salad. So you can see here that this is about how much I have, and it was perfect for the salad. And then you just drizzle it all over. And once you drizzle it and you think, hey, I think I need more, mix it up and see if that's what you need. And if you need more, you can absolutely make more. But just keep in mind that if you have leftovers, it'll saturate it and make it delicious, but you don't want it too liquidy. Then I topped mine with sesame seeds, because what's a Japanese cabbage salad without sesame seeds? And then chop your chicken to little bite-sized chunks that are perfect for the fork to catch with a good bite of lettuce and the remaining of the salad. And you are finished. Enjoy. I always enjoy mine in the dark, watching a favorite show. Let me know if you guys make it. Hashtag Food Friday with Samy Bee. It is a delicious, healthy recipe, and I love you guys so much. Bye!